Ever wonder what happened to Blockbuster? They laughed at Netflix until it took over the world. Well, guess what? The banking world might be next. And this time, it's not Netflix, it's XRP. Hello everyone, welcome back to Money Move IQ YouTube channel, where we break down big money moves so you can make smarter ones. Let's talk about why XRP isn't just another crypto. It's a global financial time bomb just waiting to go off. XRP was never trying to be the next Bitcoin. While most cryptos want to replace money, XRP is playing a smarter game. It's aiming to replace how money moves. Think about it. If you've ever wired money overseas, you know how slow, expensive, and outdated it is. Banks still use SWIFT, a system from the 1970s. XRP's goal? Replace that. Faster, cheaper, borderless. That's not just innovation, that's a full-blown financial revolution. Let me break it down in numbers. SWIFT transfers can take up to 3 to 5 business days. XRP, transactions settle in 3 to 5 seconds, and the fees? We're talking fractions of a penny. RippleNet, XRP's network, already has over 100 financial institutions on board, from banks in Japan to money remittance giants in the US. And that's not hype, that's real-world use happening right now. Here's where it gets spicy. XRP could be the bridge between traditional finance and blockchain. Imagine this. A bank in New York sends $1 million to a bank in Singapore, instantly with full transparency, almost zero cost. No intermediaries, no delays, no currency conversion mess. That's what XRP was built to do. And guess what? Big banks know it. Why else would Ripple be talking with governments, central banks, and financial regulators around the world? Now I know what you're thinking, but the SEC lawsuit. Yep, it's been a legal rollercoaster. But here's the twist. Even during the case, XRP kept building. Real-world partnerships, real adoption. If Ripple wins or settles, XRP could explode in legitimacy overnight. And while everyone's watching Bitcoin and Ethereum fight over headlines, XRP might just walk in the back door of the banking system and flip the entire game. XRP isn't just about price pumps. It's about replacing the rails of a trillion-dollar banking infrastructure. You're not betting on a coin. You're betting on how the world moves money. And if Ripple gets this right, XRP could be as common as the internet in a few years, quietly powering everything behind the scenes. So what do you think? Is XRP really the next financial revolution, or just another overhyped altcoin? Drop your take in the comments. I read every one. And hey, if you learned anything new today, smash that like button, subscribe to Money Move IQ YouTube channel, and turn on those alerts. Because in the world of money, the smartest move is staying informed. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.